Hey guys, just wanted to sub in today for Ellie for a little bit of Vlogmas. She's busy editing content for you guys right now, so she wasn't able to make it out with me to go get breakfast today. So you're going to be tagging along with me for a little bit today. All right, everybody. So our first stop today, apologize for the dirty window. We were stopping at Soma Coffee House and Juice Bar down in Bloomington. Picked up some PB&J smoothies for Ellie and I. Got her an iced Oahu right here. Then I got myself a cup of Joe, which is a peanut butter latte. Hey guys, here's the final product.
Connie got us coffee and smoothies. I can't wait to see what flavor smoothie this is. Because I'm not sure. Pineapple, maybe. And this is my favorite drink from Soma. It's called the Oahu. And it's so yummy. It's like coconut macadamia. Okay, guys, we're going to do day 24 of Vlogmas and day 10 of the advent calendar. We're a little bit off because I'm vlogging a little bit longer than regular Vlogmas. So let's see what's in day 10. All right, let's grab it out. And then we can unbox it for Connor. Bye, Fez. Merry Christmas. Okay, so we're driving to my parents now, but we just had our second like wedding meeting. We actually went to the venue, so that was fun. I hadn't been there in a while. Got a matcha, it was delish. Connor got the gingerbread latte. I think I took a video of mine, but it was fun to plan things out. We got a few details figured out in terms of like linens, and then kind of just like arrangements for things. So it'll be fun to see how everything else goes. But yeah, I feel good about what we did. I have a to-do list, so I'm gonna try to work through some of that this week. But yeah, now we're going to pick up our wedding bands, just because they told us they were ready, I think yesterday or 2 days ago. So we're like, let's just get them now. And then I'll take you along through our night if anything happens. I don't really know what's gonna happen, but yep, can't wait. Now we're getting our wedding bands. I'll probably show you guys because I don't really care if you know. Here they are. Don't look at my nails, they broke. The rings have been collected and now we're gonna get Sushi Boss on the way to my parents. I love this place and I do not get to come here enough. I get the garden roll. I added cream cheese, asparagus, cucumber, and avocado. And Connor got the crunch roll, I'm pretty sure. It has like spicy mayo on it. I don't really know what's inside of it. Maybe salmon? We're gonna open the Sunny Angel. I can already feel it and I know it's gonna be, but let's do a reveal anyway. It's a red rabbit with a mitten on. This one's okay. See you tomorrow.